What's up, guys? Today on the testing rig, we have the unknown fan. And Happy New Year, everybody. It's 2025 now. First video of 2025. So, yeah, this is an unknown fan. I got it from Dan Spiffy Newman for free. And I think another reason I got it free, I don't think he told me, or I don't know if he knew, but the bearings were squeaky and stuff, so I had to oil them with some oil. Oh, of course. I had to take the whole thing apart. I had to take the whole thing apart, sorry. And put oil in the top and bottom. But then it started squeaking less, and the bearing noise started going down. There's still a tiny bit of bearing noise, but it's not as bad as it was before. So yeah, let's start up and low. I have no idea what this fan is. I've tried searching it up so many times. I've looked at stickers all over this thing. Nothing about it. For all I know, it could be the only one in the world. Or the only one in a fan collector's possession. Alright, medium. And it did come with a light kit, but I took it off because I thought it looked better without a light kit, and I didn't have any glass for it. It shakes a little bit. Yeah, I'm really glad I took it. It looks really good. Plus, it's a free fan. With only a little bit of maintenance. Alright, and high. This would be a good bedroom fan. Spin down. And the reason this is down is because I'm trying to put boxes on every fan spot in the fan barn. I don't have any more boxes to put up right now, so I just took this down to test it. I'm going to keep it down until I get new boxes. I might also take down the Silent Breeze today, because I want to see it in action. So yeah, that was my unknown ceiling fan. If you guys enjoyed this video, have a good year. Goodbye.